How to download and install Kingshot game. Installing Kingshot game on your device is very simple. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for Kingshot. Once you have typed in Kingshot game, then search for it. When you do, then on the top you will see the Kingshot game. Click on this application right here. Now select the install option to install the application to your device. Once installed, you will see the application on your app drawer or game center. If you cannot find this application on your Play Store or App Store, you can use your web browser. Go to the search bar on the top of your web browser and type in Kingshot. Once you do that, then search for it. In your result page, you will see the link to your Google Play Store. Click on the install option to install it directly. Or you can go to the official website of Kingshot. Here you will find both the link for Google Play Store as well as App Store. Scroll down a bit and you will see both the link. You can download this on your App Store or Google Play Store. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna click on Google Play Store. When I do that, then it will direct me to my Google Play Store app. So that is all for today. Thank you.